Welcome to today's video. We're going to take you on an emotional journey where dramatic and extremely dangerous confrontations take place between humans and wild animals. Click the subscribe now and witness the unimaginable. A man was solo camping out in the woods when he unzipped the tent door. What he saw was literally the last thing you want to see while alone in the woods. A large bear, looking to be a grizzly bear, was sitting right outside and greeted him with a deep growling that shook me to the core. A wild elephant suddenly charged, knocking down the gate of the house, causing the old woman to panic and flee, narrowly escaping danger. While many would have simply trembled and waited, the old woman reacted unexpectedly. She quickly grabbed a powerful flashlight and shone it directly into the elephant's face. The sudden glare caused the animal to recoil, appearing confused, then slowly turn and leave the yard. Dramatic video of a man protecting pet dog from bear attack is viral. The online community has dubbed him Father of the Year. A woman in Gatlinburg, Tennessee was left confused after she spotted a bear entering her car and sitting in the driver's seat. She did not wait for help and decided to scare off the bear by yelling and pounding on the car's window.
Out! Get out! Get out! Get out! Get out! Get out! Yo, out! No, it's fine. It's fine.
An uninvited guest arrived. A family experienced an event that made them acutely aware of the importance of checking who was standing at their door.
Oh, he's coming over. He has a paw over the rail, bro. This is getting juicy.
In Mexico, black bears are being forced to scavenge for food in urban garbage dumps due to drought. Many bears have been seen rummaging through trash cans on the streets without any fear of humans. This is a consequence of the drought destroying their natural food sources. When walking at night, it's important to be observant of your surroundings, and especially to carry a flashlight to avoid snakes, potholes, and other unexpected dangers. The puppy faces off against Snakefist. CCTV footage has captured a crocodile brutally attacking a couple swimming in a resort pool in Kariba, Zimbabwe. One of the gators stood up on its hind legs like it was trying to find the doorbell, while its accomplice sat there menacingly as if on lookout duty.
Go right up to the front door there.
A Florida man got a frightful surprise after checking his Ring doorbell camera, which showed two alligators waiting on his porch.
Where are you? Listen, there's an alligator in your front bushes here.
Oh, yep. Oh my God.
You see him?
Yeah, he's going into the bushes.
Drone video captures cops wrangling 6-foot alligator in Florida woman's backyard. You've got to love Florida. It's a state where the wildlife often shows up uninvited, and somehow it all works out. Two uninvited cows made a visit to a small restaurant in India. The sweltering heat in California, USA, caused a black bear to venture into a private swimming pool to cool off. At this time of year, natural food sources may be limited, and bears may have to leave their habitats to search for food.
Hey, buddy. Hey, bear. See him, Rach? Hey, bear. You gotta move, Michelle. You missed him. You just look now. Down the.
How with his ear?
He's tagged.
Is he tagged?
He's tagged. He's going down the. Over by.
Human encounters with wildlife have highlighted the fragile boundary between civilized society and the diverse wildlife that coexist on Earth. When witnessing these memorable moments, always remember that true harmony with wildlife stems from understanding, compassion, and a shared responsibility to protect the natural world, the common home of all living things. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.